Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change region in Valorant. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, we have to open up our preferred web browser and search for Riot Games support. Then just click the first link and make sure you're logged in. If you're logged in, then you can go on further. Now scroll down and click on Submit a Ticket. Now a floating tab will appear on your screen. Simply click on the Valorant game and choose a request type here. Just choose Account Management Data Request or Deletion. Now select the target platform, and for subject you should type in Account Region. After that, select your inquiry. Here you should click on Account Management. And then for Select Your Inquiry, you should select Need Help Changing Region of Residence/Country Assigned to Account. After that, in the description, you will need to describe the problem you're facing. You can type in, "I'd like to change my region. I chose the wrong region, and could it be possible to change it to Zeiss?" Now click on Submit, and you should wait until they get back to you. So that's basically how you can change region in Valorant. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.